What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be working on our dust collection system, and it's right over there. Camera, why aren't you moving? I need a second person here to move this stuff. Give me a second. Maybe you guys can get a picture of what I'm talking about. The vacuum's down here. I got to reach in to turn it on. Frankly, it's annoying. I don't like it. So we're going to fix that. All right, what we got is an 8-gallon shop vac from Costco. DeWalt. Do it. It's pretty clean. Look at that thing. Oh, not too bad. It's a little dusty. But the dust separator over there actually does pretty well. But what we're worried about is this switch right here. This guy. We gotta take this entire thing apart. Looks like there's 80,000 screws. And we're gonna access it, so let's do that. Alright, one piece. There's a bolt right here and right here that's holding the switch in, so we're going to take that out and I'll show you guys that. Alright, so here's the switch. Little on doohickey. Pull it off. This is what we got going on here. Where's all my other wire at? I had like a giant spool of wire that I can never find whenever I need it. Ugh, super annoying. So looking at this wire right here, it says it's, where's it go? I was just looking at it. It says it's 18 gauge wire, so it's nothing too bad. I have 14 gauge wire, which is plenty thick for this guy. So we're just gonna extend it out. We're gonna drill it into the table, and by it, I mean the switch right here, and we're gonna call that good. So that should be fine. And then we'll just put tape over here. That should be fine. Let's do that. All right, snips, there's no going back now. You're gonna cut it right here. I got my wire here. I got my measuring tape out. And we're just gonna go to 3 feet. Roughly around right here. We're gonna snip it now. The same exact thing, but this time we already have a reference. Right, so I'm just gonna strip this guy right here. You could use a razor blade if you want on this. I just do this little method right here because I don't know where my wire strippers are. Peel it off, call that good. At some point, it's gonna be loose enough to where you just pull it off like that. Yeah, your stranded wire, you're good to go. Take this guy right here. What I like to do is I like to twist this guy. I'm just gonna jam it in there and call it good. See, it fits through that, that's good. Just wrap it around it for a second. Call that good. Get my other clamps. Press it down, pop my fingers at the same time. Twice apparently, why not? Get my heat gun. Got my old school heat gun my friend gave me. I don't know how old this thing is, but it works. It's old, but it's worth every penny I didn't spend on it. As you can see, so that's what you're looking for when you do that, when you heat shrink them at least. I think we're all out of pink here. All right, so we have one side there, check, one side here. We are missing one small pink. This should work. We'll make one side blue. All right, same thing on this side. Oh, that's still hot. I touched it with my arm. Wrap it. I like to spin it on there, but this is what it looks like before you heat shrink it. It's very loose. Not too bad. And it's also extremely hot to touch, so I'm not going to touch it just yet. Put this off to the side though, put it on the drill press, call that good. We're gonna do it again. All right, cool, let's see if my wiring all worked. Okay, it's not hot, it's good. No, it's still very hot actually. Plug that in there, call that one good. This guy right here, plug him in. Call that good. That's good. It's hot. That was really hot. Perfect. All right, let's see if it turns on the correct way. So, that's off, on. It's a nice powerful vacuum. Cool. All right, so wiring works. Nothing's going on fire, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seal these guys up completely because that's what you can do with them. All right, cool. Let's put this all back together now. Now, put it like that for right now. Goes like that. Yes, it does. All right, there it goes. It's back in there now. That's the right spot there. That's not the right spot, but that's fine. We're gonna get this side in first. Where's my drillet? It's right here. It's mutilated now. Just gonna cover that with duct tape, call that good. It's perfect. Shit ain't going nowhere. A little spray paint. You'll never know that this is tape. I shouldn't be doing this stuff at 3 a.m., but that's fine. All right, and then for the button, it works. Totally fine, no issue. I might put it right here just because it's right next to the miter saw, it's right next to the table saw, it's gonna be next to the planer, it'll be next to the router table. It'll be easy access for me to just go, boop, work on stuff, and call it good. So we're gonna do that. Recently I've been using Forstner bits for all my wood cutting, and let me tell you, this stuff is a game changer versus drill bits. This stuff is so nice. Ah, that works. It's not too bad. We got a little extra wire down there, but whatever. I can always clean that up later. Behold the Frankenstein button. Let's test it out. I missed. Can you believe it? Not too bad. We took the switch out of the DeWalt, we slammed it in this 2x4, called it good. Got a little bit extra wire down there. A lot of extra wire, but that's fine. I can move the vacuum around. Next up is I'm either gonna build the table saw table or build the enclosure for the vacuum. I don't know yet. If you guys enjoyed the video, do leave a like, subscribe, and comment. It does help. If you guys know a better way to do this, like, again, I'm super amateur to this. I don't know the best for electrical stuff. Leave me a comment down below. I will probably change how this is set up. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.